Hello friends, in this video we learn if-else statement in JavaScript. So let's start. Now firstly, let's learn that how can we use if-else statement and what it is. So like here's a text box and it is the text box of password of our website, and when we type the password, so if the password is wrong, I want a warning here and that says that password is wrong, and when the password is correct, I want to open any other website in which the user want to go. So we can do this by using if-else statement. So now firstly you can see that I have typed center tag in body tag, and here in style tag I typed the style of body, and that is linear gradient, means background image linear gradient, and the color is red, orange, blue, green, yellow, pink, hot pink, red, dark red, and the text align center. So now see how it comes up over. So it will come like this, and here's the some text which is fill the form, and now type here the coding of form like this. Now you can see that here's button and two text box. One text box is for password and one text box is for username. Now and here's a button, but this all things do not have an ID or any function. So let's type ID in the text box, means in the input type. So type the ID, different IDs type here like you or user, you can type here. And now for password I'm typing here the ID pass, and now in button I'm typing on click, and the function I want is sub means submit, and now like this. Now type function in script tag and type the name of the function sub, and like this. Okay, now firstly you have to create here two var 1, and now first I contain this text box in the first var. So this is for username, that's why I'm typing here u.pabc, any other word, means any other letter. Now type here like this, and now type here document dot get element by id inside var like this, and now type the id here. So remember to do not type here apostrophe, and type here the ID of your text box. Like first text box is user, so user, here comes user, and then dot value like this. Now copy this var one time like this and change the ID into pass, and change var name into p. So p means pass, means password, and u means username, and now type here if and then bracket. Okay, so now the first var name is u, so type here u like this, and then 2 is equal to, and then the username you want here, like I want Java, but first type apostrophe and then Java, then type here 2 and like this, and then p, then like this. Remember to type here the var name, like p means this var, and type the password here 12345. Here's no one. Now type here curly bracket, and then type here the thing which you want to display when this will type in your text box. So I want to display a alert which says correct, and then like this. Now type here else, means what if there's anything else in the text box. So what do you want to display here on the top, or which text you want to display by using document.write. So type here if there's anything else, then I want to display document.write, and I want here incorrect. So now see how it comes. Here's the output. When we type here tr, this is not the right username, but I typed here 4. Now in password I am typing 67859 and then submit. Then here comes document.write and incorrect. And when we refresh it, and then we type here the correct username and password like Java, and the password is 12345, and when you click on submit, then it says correct. So like this you can use else if statement in JavaScript. But when this whole coding is correct, I want to display any other website. So like I am creating a new page called chapter 38 main means main page, and then .html. So now here type the coding of any website, and here comes main, or you can type here anything else, and from chapter 38 copy this coding of body and chapter 38 main, and then code here style tag, that style type like this. Now here I'm typing h1 welcome. If you want to type anything else you can type, but I don't want many things. So see how it comes. When we type here wrong password, then it says incorrect, and when we type here right password Java and 12345 and then submit, then when we here comes correct, and when we click on it, then I want to open this file. So you have to type here open, then bracket, then like this. So now type the link here, like the link is chapter 38 then main.html. Now see, when you type here correct password Java 12345, then it says correct, and then it opens the main website here. Welcome. See, let's type here one more time Java and then 12345, submit, and it says correct, and when we click on OK, then it opens the main website. See here main, and here is the form website, and here is the main website. So but there is one thing, that if you type like this, and if you created a website by using this formula, then the user of this website can right click here and then they can click on view page source, and here comes the password you set, and they can know the password and they can type here and they can go to the main website which you created. So friends, our today's all topic are finished. Thanks for watching. Bye bye friends.